Alright, severe thunderstorm watch number 544 has been issued, I believe, for a couple of Vermont counties. And if it includes Caledonia, Essex, or Orange, it will be coming over WNG 575 within a minute.
Including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Rest of today, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rain.
Yep. There it is.
Your thunderstorm watch number 544, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Vermont: Caledonia, Essex, Orange, Windham, and Windsor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts, south to State Route 2, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene.
Good stuff.
Rest of today, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall this afternoon. Warm with highs in the mid-80s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall until midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable.
Alright. There we go.